Hi, welcome to another new video, and in this video I am going to make a video on how to enable cookies on Google Chrome, and the video will be a complete tutorial for you guys. I hope you guys will watch this video till the end. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. So here you can see we already in our google.com, and I am going to click on this three dot button in the right corner. Just click over here and you will get option for like bunch of option here, and here you need to be click on setting. Once you click over here, now again you will redirect to a new tab where you can allow to access many categories over that place in the left corner. So I am going to find out the privacy and security option. This is the option what I am searching for. Just click over here, and now you can see here we have bunch of steps like various options that delete browsing data, privacy guide, third-party cookies, add privacy, security, and site setting. So my main motive was to how to enable cookies. So by clicking this option, you are allowed to enable all the cookies section you want. So the process was really simple, and I already mentioned that this will be a complete guideline. I hope you get the result. If you love this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. And if you find out this video was knowledgeable, then don't forget to share with your friends. So have a good day. I will catch you in the next video.